blood glucose and uric acid bifunctional monitoring system.
Getting started with ICAN is easy. The ICAN box contains a quick start guide, transmitter pack, and a sensor pack. All of this are for single use. The first thing you need to do is download the ICAN CGM app from App Store or Google Play. When you download the app for the first time, there will be a guideline to help you learn cautions and important functions of the app. Then, you will need to create an ICAN account with your email address. Once logged in, the app walks you through training videos step by step first, so you can follow these instructions to start your 15 days with ICAN. Pull out the transmitter pack from the bottom of the sensor pack. Check the first 8 digits SN codes on the sensor pack and the transmitter pack are the same. Scan the QR code located on the sensor pack label or enter the full SN code on sensor pack by typing manually. The app will automatically jump to the next training video.
Marketed by FusionGreen Healthcare Private Limited.